Hi, I'm the Hippie Chick. Today we're going to make one of these great little boxes. It fits 2 Lindor truffles. They are a great chocolate treat. I love them. They are my absolute favorite. And it just takes a small piece of paper. The piece of paper that we need measures 5 5/8 by 6 3/4. And so let's get started. We'll start by scoring it up. We start by scoring on the long side at 3/4 of an inch, and 2 inches, and we spin it around and we score again at 3/4 of an inch and 2 inches. And then on the short side we score at 1 1/4 at 2 1/2 at 3 3/4 and at 5. Oops. At 1 so that's at 1 1/4 at 2 1/2 at 3 3/4 and at 5. Okay? And now let's fold and burnish. Okay. And then we're going to cut on the short side, and we're going to cut along the short side. We're going to go past the first score line up to the second score line on all the score lines. Okay, then you'll notice on the long side you'll have one side that has a bigger place between the edge and the score line, and a place where there's a smaller space between the edge and the score line. On that side we're gonna taper in from the edge to the score line where it meets the second score line. So like this. So that way you have a piece that looks kind of like that. Okay? And then it'll fold together like this. Okay? That's how it'll fold together. Okay? So this will be your back, and this piece here will be your front. We're going to cut the front off completely on both sides. So fold it up again so that way you can see again where your back is. This is the back. This is the back. This is the front. We're going to remove the front. Okay. On the top, we're going to take a 1 inch or a 3/4 inch punch, and we're just gonna make a little divot for our finger hold. There we go. And we're going to round all of our corners. Here's our corner rounder. Actually, we're just going to round the front and the back corner. So the one that is opposite, the one that will sit opposite of the one that will sit opposite of the front, we want to round the back corner. And then the other two sides, we want to cut off the extra tab. And we want to round those two corners. Okay, now we want to put some red line tape right along the seam right here. And your seam should meet up because it's a square box. And that's the top. Let's do the bottom first. There we go. This is a little wide, so we're going to need to trim it just a little bit. And then round the corners. now let's try and put it back in. There we go. Slips right in. Okay, there we go. And then I've got a stamp here, and we'll do some stamping. I just dropped my stays on. And the stamp says it's a good day. I'm going to use the 1 3/4 stamp here to stamp it out. Get it centered. There we go. I'm going to use a glue dot to put it on. Some pink sheer polka dot ribbon that I'm gonna make a knot. Oh man. My ribbon is slipping off. All right, there we go. And there we go. It's a good day. It's a good day. Thank you for spending some time with me. I appreciate it. If you like this video or found it helpful, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Bye. Have a good day.